Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones, and we are heading to Paris today. Let's go. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the forward boarding door has now been closed. We are ready for pushback here momentarily from the gate.
Guess where I'm at, guys? I'm in Paris. Let's get it.
Yo, this is your buddy Jeff.
So we are in Paris.
Okay. Ça marche. Ça marche. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up?
What's going on?
Hey, with my friend, bro, waiting for
This is Prinxfpv. So
FPV in your TV with ketmo on my phone, bro.
So we're about to rip some quads today. So let's dive right into it. Let's get it.
And
Hey, what's up? It's your buddy Jeff. So check it out. Prinx got this quad that he built. Looks like 2 6S batteries and badass motors. Like it's awesome.
Yeah, it's all about the Protect 60, okay, and I take all the stuff higher, a little bit higher, and this is it. But it's weird
cool
because you need to install a lot of weight on it, something like 1 kilo, and you can get it by SSH Drones. It's the Cine Lifter Insider.
Yeah, the French, they definitely know their FPV, that's for sure. All right, so the third FPV pilot is in the building.
Yeah.
So
that's good.
We're about to rip some quads real quick, French style, okay?
Yeah.
So the French with an American accent. Let's check it out. Make your best impression of an American accent.
Donc, le problème c'est que quand on veut voler, mais la batterie est vide, flat. I think you say vide in French, right?
Yeah, vide.
Tu peux pas décoller. That's how you say it?
Yeah.
This is great.
Like, keep going.
Oh bro, il va faire le rebouché. Il va faire le rebouché. So they call it the rebouché.
Because there's actually a problem over there. I'm being serious. So there's this ditch in between the road and where the car is going to drift, and we're gonna have to fill the whole thing with like some.
Oh, that's what you were telling me.
And in French you say rebouché. And so this dude keeps on saying that we're about to do the rebouché.
So that's what it means.
It's in the rebouché.
That's the.
All right, so after a long ride, we're here. So we got Prinx.
FPV.
No, not Shish FPV.
Shish FPV.
No, Go Squad FPV
Bon
and SSH Drones.
SSH Drone, me, it's Prinx.
This is Prinx FPV.
So say what's up, Ketmo. What's good, man? Ketmo, FPV. I'm happy with my dude, Ghost. Bro, SSH FPV. SSH, that's you. That's Shish FPV, bro. I can't call you Ghost.
Okay, so Shish FPV. That's good?
Shish FPV, yeah.
Sensational.
So they call me
My
Shish
guy,
FPV. That's funny.
I'm ATL, and we're about to rip.
Yeah.
All I know is that we have a mission. That mission is to shoot that drifting car. And it has to go.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Oh, you don't even know what we're about to shoot.
No.
Bro, you're not ready for this shit, bro.
What is it?
Man, I'll just let you. You'll see, bro. You'll see. I'm not even trying to talk.
All right, let's do it.
Comment tu flippes which channel? Quel channel?
Je vais mettre un 7.
7?
I'm gonna be channel 1.
Channel 1, okay, got it.
So Prinx got a TBS Mambo.
Yeah, the new one, and it fly pretty well. The sticks don't feel the same as the Tango 2.
Prinx is over here getting it in. French style. Woo!
If you don't know me, I'm Joshua Badwell, and you're gonna learn something today.
You're gonna learn something today. Yeah, Joshua Bardwell, all the way to France. People know your name. So
That's better.
oh, how's the rates? Let's rip. And that's how the French rip. We're ripping today. Let's go. Wow, this was really awesome, amazing. Ripping in Paris with fire, a car on fire.
Bro, are you having fun?
Ketmo. Hell yeah, I'm having fun. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This is dope as hell. So, yeah.
And I've never done anything like this, to be
I've
honest.
never done anything like this
I don't
either.
think many people have.
This is awesome. A burning vehicle. That is the coolest shit I ever done.
I don't think I've ever seen a rolling burning vehicle too. Like, it's burning while it's rolling. Like, this doesn't happen.
The French got it going on here to do.
Les gars, je vais même pas que vous croyez que c'est pour la vidéo ou quoi, mais en toute objectivité, hein, avec un peu de sérieux, c'est vraiment une expérience incroyable. Genre là, déjà j'adore le FPV, mais c'est comme si ça a réveillé encore plus d'amour qui était en train de sommeiller un peu plus profond en moi. Ouais. Là, je suis, mais gros, j'ai un deuxième coup de FPV.
Crazy. FPV style in France.
Je veux dire merci.
Ah,
merci,
no problem.
Non, merci.
No, thank you.
Ça, c'est un moment d'une vie, les gars. Allez, les gars.
Alright, that's good.
Check. Chickity check. Bye.
Woohoo! Alright, we're done. I am Jeff with SSH Drones. We are done here and we are signing off. Later.
Moi, je trouve qu'il n'y a même pas de lumière. Mais la vie de ma mère, c'était.
Et en plus, on a un 2 heures autonome en backup.
It's so good to just share that passion of FPV with everybody.
Oh, God.
You have Prinx right here.
Bang.
Ketmo.
You hear that? It sounds like it's, it's war.
The French got it going on, I'm telling you. They really do got it going on. So I am Jeff with SSH Drones. I am signing off. Later, Prinx.
No,
Thanks for setting it up, man. This was really cool. Really cool.
When we can make something like this, share emotion, bro. It's the human feelings. You don't have to speak a language, bro.
Yeah. FPV has no language, no boundaries.
Je pense que le nom de FPV doit être partagé.
Okay, now they're just making fun of the
And now you know the rebouche, my girl.
Oh yeah, we did
rebouche.
C'est le rebouche.
The fucking shovel and we rebouched that shit. Come on, dit chez nous.
We capped that. We capped that. Hey y'all, so this was Paris. This was a really fun video to shoot with the FPV pilot. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the bell for the post notifications. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I am signing off. Also, let me know in the comments how you feel about, you know, Paris pilots, Paris FPV pilots for that matter. So, alright, I am signing off. Later, guys.